How to print even and odd numbers from list of numbers. So we can do using for each. If I get element, here we can use if condition, like if I modulo division by 2 is equal to 0, then it is even number, else it is odd number. Can print that I can print odd. Let's suppose if our requirement is to store somewhere, right? So then we can use like this list.stream.filter 0, so it will be give only even numbers. So then we can collect, can collectors dot to list. So we can say like even numbers. Similarly, like this, we can get the odd numbers also. The condition will be changed only.